ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸੱਚ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਵੀ ਸੱਚ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਾਈਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਾਈਆਂ ਉਹੀ ਜਾਣਦੀਆਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਲੋਂ ਬੇ ਹਾਲ ਲੋਕੋ only those who are in deep ishq, deep love with our beloved Lord, our Creator, only they know that deep love for Him that deep love for Him makes our insides very uncomfortable until He is met.
Тази любов прави нашите вътрешности неспокойни, докато не срещнем задачи.
ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਾਈਆਂ ਸੋਈ ਜਾਣਦੀਆਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਲੋਂ ਬੇ ਹਾਲ ਲੋਕੋ ਬਿਨਾ ਯਾਰ ਦੇ ਜਿਉਣਾ ਮੁਹਾਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ to exist without Him, to live without Him, for them is like something impossible to do.
Съществуването без него е невъзможно.
And each day for them seems like To live in separation from Him, even for a day, seems to them as years and years have passed.
И дори един ден изминал в раздяла с него, на тях им се струва сякаш са минали години.
बिना यार दे जीना मुहाल हुंदा ते दिन लंघदे जिवें कई साल लोकों ते दिन लंघदे जिवें कई साल लोकों. Let us become focused either at the navel point or at the forehead, in between the eyebrows. Let's please sit straight with closed eyes and become focused either at the navel point or at the forehead, in between the eyebrows. И да се съсредоточим в точката зад гърба и точката между веждите и челото. My daughter Yordenka, who was reciting his name so lovingly and so respectfully. Jio is the most respectful word in Punjabi. Защо е моя Йорданка? Ти прояви със своето пеене невероятното уважение към словото в пенджабски. Уважение към чрез песента. She was just calling him by his there's no particular name of him, but she was calling him by, "Oh my beloved Lord, so wonderful beloved Lord." Тя изричаше не името му, защото няма име с което го назове, но наричаше моя възлюбен, моя възлюбен Господ. It's my name. It is love, just love. Because God is love. He only recognizes the language of love.
mężczyzn, zasłużenie, jakby blizek człowiek i священник.
And because she was singing him so lovingly, she came and joined her in singing that. Her soul witnessed that, and she started crying. Cries of tears of love for her beloved. That he is so loving, so beautiful. And her tears brought tears into all of us' eyes. Because ishq is contagious. Not a contagious disease, but contagious. Oh, thank you, my darling daughter. How blessed you are. It is as simple as that the path of love to live our lives walking the path of love for Him makes our lives so beautiful. God is not an idea, it's not a philosophy, it is to be experienced, it is to be lived. And not experienced maybe 10, 15, 20 years from now, but right away, right at this moment, we can experience the presence of God within us. All we have to do is to become empty of our thoughts and call Him earnestly, lovingly, humbly. That's all. No rituals, no traditions, no nothing. Just to call Him, oh my beloved, please appear. I know you dwell within me. Could you please reveal yourself to me? That's all. This is perhaps the easiest thing for us to do, but our mind has convinced us that God cannot be met so easily. He must not be God. He must be. There is nothing else in this universe except Him. The whole universe, all these forms and shapes and lives, it is just Him manifesting in infinite forms and shapes and lives. Just Him. Without bringing Him into our lives, we allow our lives to drift into a rut. Redundant deeds every day, same thing. And we start living like machines. A machine may do something, but it has no awareness about its own existence. So we are doing different deeds, different things, but we are not aware who we are. Guru Nanak says, he says, So Prabh dur nahi Prabh. He says that God is not away from you. You are the God. You are not John. You are not Anil. You are not Ruby. It is God. In dream you are believing that you are existing. It is Him. In order to realize that, we have to become free of all the conditioning which the society, the schools, the streets, the workplaces have conditioned us. Then only the traffic of thoughts in us slowly and slowly starts ceasing, and we start witnessing His existence. We start witnessing that it's Him who created this body. It's Him who is breathing into it and breathing out of it. It is Him who is beating the heart making the lungs function, kidneys, and millions of functions within. He created this body. He is running this body. It is just him. Me was an idea given to me by the society. That's just an idea which disappears through continuous meditation and yearning to know the truth. Only then we come to face with him, with life. And the realization that this is not me, this is him, is beyond the power of any words to describe that. Total freedom, total beauty, total love. Total compassion, total kindness, humility. Only then we come to know that what a blessing I have had been blessed with. And I had made my life miserable while it was such a celebration. It is to celebrate him. His glory, his beauty, his mysteriousness. Let's I call his utterances love letters to love letters of our Creator to us. And he says, one letter we started reading in Bolivia. It has only few lines, but we could hardly cover half of the letter in a week there. he says, Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai ich kari nit sukh manai. Oh, my dear friend, he writes, yearn to meet him. You must have a most profound yearning to meet him. And then Sukhamanai, then commit to some offerings that I will do this if my desire to meet you is fulfilled. I will do this, I will do this, I will do that. Like in India, there are people commit that I will do langar, or I will have whole Guru Granth Sahib Ji read uninterrupted, or things like that. Or I will bring this thing for the holy congregation for them to use, things like those. बहुत ही प्यारी गल किन्ने सुखा मनाई सुखा सुखी दिया कि महाराज जी जे मेरा एक काम हो जाए मैं लंगर कराऊंगी मैं अखंड पाठ साहब कराऊंगी मैं संगतां ਲਈ आ मशीन तुहाडे दर ते चढ़ाऊंगी मैं आ करूंगी इन्नी प्यारी इन्नी प्यारी गल करदे. How beautiful it is. He says, involve him to have your desire fulfilled. If you want to meet him, then involve him in it. Tell him, I will do this for your children, I will do that for your children, I will do this. That will give you immense inner strength with the knowledge that you have involved him in this deed. ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਤਾਕਤ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਨੇੜੇ ਦੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੰਨੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਖੀਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਆ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਆ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਆ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ. This is so beautiful because we commit to those things while feeling so close to him, knowing that he is listening to me. so beautiful way to feel so close to him. ਅੰਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਦੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਜੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਯਕੀਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣੀ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਦੱਸੀ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੂਗਾ। Then the knowledge that I told him while feeling so close to him, he heard me. I'm sure he is going to fulfill my yearning to meet him. Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai, Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai. And his letter feels so close. When I read his letter, I feel he's right here saying these things to me. It's not a piece of paper, words written on that. When I read this, I feel he is saying this to me. He says, you, my dear friend, do this. Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai, Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai. खुल के जी सारे इच्छ करी नित सखी इच्छ करी नित Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai, Sakhi ich kari nit sukh manai, Sakhi ich kari nit sukh प्रभु मेरी आस पुजाए। ते ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਖ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਇਹ ਆਸ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਰੋ। दोनों प्यारा ना कोल बैठा के आख कि मेरी ये आस पूरी करो। Say to him, feeling so close to him, that please fulfill my this desire, my this yearning. प्रभु मेरी आस पुजाए। 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 चरण प्यासी दरस बरागण। ਉਹਦੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਸ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। You should feel so thirsty to feel his lotus feet, wise lotus feet within you. And you should feel the pain of separation. That will convince him that you are really merchant of truth. Otherwise we might be saying this or singing this to him just out of our mind and really not be there. Check within you how thirsty are you to feel his presence within. चरण प्यासी दरस बैरागन कि तेरे अंदर बहुत प्यास होनी चाहिए। तेनू पता प्यास की हुंदी? जदों ਇੰਨੀ ਪਿਆਸ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਿ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਬੂੰਦ ਨੂੰ ਤਰਸ ਜਾਈਏ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੀ ਬੂੰਦ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਮਿਲੇ, ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਿਆਸ। You should be so thirsty that when someone is dying and they need water and they are asking for water and not even a drop of water is given to them that type of thirst. तू देख तेरे अंदर हैगी वो जी प्यास कि होर प्यासा नहीं पेखों थान सबाए. When you have that type of thirst, then look around. You would start seeing his signs everywhere. पेखों थान सबाए. फिर मैं सारियां जगह ते तेनू दिसूगा. तू देख तेरे अंदर इन्नी प्यास हैगी क्योंकि वो मिलदा ही उन्हां नू. वो बहुत महंगा है ना, एवें कैवें नहीं मिलता. वो जिहड़ा उहदी प्यास विच मरण किनारे हो जावे उन्नू आन मिलता है. Because he is so precious. To meet him, we have to become so precious too. And we become precious when we only desire, yearn for him. That consciousness which is yearning for him is so, so precious. वो बहुत महंगा है, बहुत सोहना है. वो महंगियां नू मिलदा, सोहणियां नू मिलदा. ते सोहणियां उहदियां नज़रां विच ओह हुंदियां जिहड़ियां उहदे बिन जी ना सकन. उन्नू ही रात दिने उहदे ख्याल आउण, उन्नू ही देखण. When Jordanka was singing Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vahejiyo, tomorrow we should do today's late. At that time, check what are you thinking when you are hearing Vaheguru? Where are your thoughts? What are you thinking? If we are having some thoughts, it means we are not vacant to receive him. Our consciousness is occupied with thoughts. ਜਦੋਂ ਯੋਰਡੈਂਕਾ ਬੇਟੀ ਗਾਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਜੀਓ, ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਸੀ, ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਖਿਆਲ ਕੀ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਆਪਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ. ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੀ. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਅੱਜ, ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੀ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਿਆਲ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ ਖਿਆਲਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੱਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਤੇ ਰੱਬ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਊ? ਉਹ ਤੇ ਆਊ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ ਖਾਲੀ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਖਿਆਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਸਿਰਫ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰ। ਤੇ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਪੂਰੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ। If we were fully alert, awake to feel him, we cannot miss him. If we are thirsty for him, then we cannot miss him. It's impossible. When we cannot live without him, he says, I cannot live without you too. ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਖ ਲਵੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਰਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੀ, ਤੂੰ ਆਖਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਰਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਉਡੀਕਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਇਹ ਹਾਲਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲੀਏ, ਪਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਇਹ ਹਾਲਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। For a long time I have been waiting for you to be in that condition where you become so thirsty to meet me. And the moment somebody cannot live without me, I cannot live without them either. Let us do this meditation for a couple minutes. Sit straight and feel the membrane, our membrane down below, which touches the ground when we sit on the ground. Cross-legged. And then locate the navel point too. And then not at the navel point, but just below the navel point, locate that point. ਮੈਂਬਰੇਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੈਠਦੇ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਧਰਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਦੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਵਾਹੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਤੇ ਨਾਭੀ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਥੱਲੇ, ਨਾਭੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਨਾਭੀ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਥੱਲੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਾਲ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਪੂਰੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਾਲ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੇਠਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਾਹੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾਭੀ ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ। And also, while remaining very alert to feeling that what happens when we say Vahe at the point in the center of the membrane and Guru just below the navel point. Vahi means the wonderful one. So it is to be done, please, with full force. Our lower body should start trembling. So that we can make the mind free of thoughts. Okay. तैयार है? ठीक. वाह गुरु, 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 ਸਿੱਧਾ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰ ਉਸ ਏਰੀਏ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਗਰਮੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋਊ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇਖ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹਿਲਦੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋਊ, ਪਰ ਉਹ ਹਿਲਜੁਲ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੋਮਲ ਜਿਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਵਿੱਚ। Now feel that area. We should feel warmth there. That is the warmth of his pure love, ishq. Also detect very subtly, try to feel something, some vibration, some presence, something going up or down. Or moving in an anti-clockwise direction. ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਤੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਚਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ, ਉਹਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ। ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਕਿਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਦਿਲ ਵੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਹੋਵੇ। ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਦੀ ਏਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ? Recognize how loving, how compassionate, how concerned his letters are to us. How beautiful his heart must be, from where these words and emotions like these emerge. Many times I secretly wish that, alas, if I could have heart like his. ਸੱਜਣਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸੱਜਣਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸੱਜਣਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਜਿਹਾ I'm sorry I didn't give Bhajan Kaurji chance to say that in Bulgarian. ਸੱਜਣਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸੱਜਣਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, ਸੱਜਣਾ Now just this line in so emotion-filled Bulgarian language. Just this line. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਲਗੇਰੀਅਨ ਬੋਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਾਉਣਾ ਬਲਗੇਰੀਆ ਦੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਅੱਗੇ ਗਾਊਗੀ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗਾਉਣਾ Everybody, I'm so grateful to you for blessing me with the dust of your feet. And gracing the holy congregation with your presence. We only have 3 more sessions here, so please let us not miss any. ਤਿੰਨ ਦਿਨ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਮਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਆਖੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੀਬਾ ਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ Just one.